Rotting your tomatoes on purpose is actually the secret cheat code to an endless supply of free food. Most people just throw away the guts of their heirloom veggies, completely missing out on the fact that they are tossing next year's garden straight into the trash. Saving your own seeds is insanely easy, and it means you never have to buy them again while keeping those exact amazing flavors alive. You just need to know the right way to handle each type of plant. Let us start with tomatoes, because they have the weirdest process. You cannot just dry tomato seeds right out of the fruit. They are covered in this weird gel sac that literally stops them from sprouting. To get rid of it, you have to ferment them. Just scoop the seeds and all that gooey gel into a bowl. Cover it with a cloth and leave it on your counter for 2 or 3 days. It is going to look gross and probably grow a little mold, but that is exactly what you want. The fermentation eats away the gel and kills off plant diseases. After a few days, just rinse them off in a strainer and spread them out on a paper towel to dry completely. Peppers are a million times simpler. You just need to pick the absolute ripest peppers you have on the plant. Cut them open, scrape the seeds out gently with your fingers or a spoon, and lay them flat to dry. The only catch with peppers is that you need to store different varieties separately so you do not mix them up, and keep the plants spaced out in the garden to avoid accidental crossbreeding. Squash is just as rewarding, but definitely a bit messier. When you cut open a fully mature squash, you get that massive pile of seeds tangled up in the stringy pulp. Scoop all of that out and run it under the sink. You have to rub the seeds clean so there is absolutely no orange flesh left on them. Once they are completely clean, lay them out on a towel to dry. Now, the absolute biggest rule for saving any of these seeds is that moisture is your worst enemy. If you pack them up while they are even slightly damp, they will mold and ruin your entire stash. Let them air dry for several days until they are brittle. Once they are bone dry, toss them into paper envelopes or glass jars, label them with the name and the date, and hide them in a cool, dark closet. If you ever find an old jar of seeds and wonder if they are still good, just wrap a few in a damp paper towel and keep it warm. If they sprout in a week, your stash is viable. Preserving heirloom seeds is basically capturing a tiny piece of history, letting you grow plants that are perfectly adapted to your own backyard year after year, without relying on commercial stores.